Homework 10, sum number 2. Here we are supposed to find out the definitions of the various properties. The first one is WSS. WSS is known as a wide sense stationary process. A process is said to be a WSS if the expected value is a constant and its autocorrelation depends only on the difference between the two time intervals, that is t1 minus t2, and it is given by the following equation. The equation is right here. R t1 t2 is given by R t1 minus t2. Now, ergodic process. An ergodic process is a process in which all the statistical properties can be defined just by using a simple random sample of the process. Only one long random sample is required to find out all the various statistical properties. The third definition is the Markov process. A Markov process is also known as a memoryless process. A memoryless process is a process which only depends on its present values. The output, that is the future value, only depends on the present values, not the past values or the outputs. Now the fourth definition is the independent increments process. A process is said to have independent increments if for the number of samples or time intervals t1, t2, tn, where t1 is less than t2 is less than t3 and so on up to tn. If xt1, xt2 minus xt1, xt3 minus xt2 and so on up to the nth term are independent of each other, then it is said to be an independent increments process. Now the fifth one is a strict sense stationary process. Process is said to be strict sense stationary if its statistics are not affected by the shift on the time axis, that is x of t and x of t plus sigma have the same statistics. Here sigma is the time shift. White noise is a process such that its values at different times are nearly independent or uncorrelated. A normal process is said to be normal if all the random variables of the process are jointly normal for any number of terms at any time intervals t2, t3, t1 and up to tn. So this is it. Thank you.